Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a door lock. First, gather your essential tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a measuring tape. You'll also need your new lock set, which includes the knob or lever, the latch mechanism, the strike plate, and all necessary screws. Before starting, measure your door's backset to ensure it matches the new lock for a perfect fit. Now, let's remove the old lock. On the interior side of your door, locate and remove the two visible screws holding the knob or lever in place. Once these are out, gently pull apart the interior and exterior halves of the lock, setting them aside. Next, remove the latch mechanism from the door's edge. Finally, unscrew and remove the old strike plate from the door frame. With the old lock removed, it's time for the new one. First, insert the new latch mechanism into the door's edge, making sure the bevel on the latch faces the door frame. Secure it with the two screws provided. Next, slide the exterior half of your new lock through the door, carefully aligning it with the latch. Then, attach the interior half, ensuring the spindle correctly engages with the latch mechanism. Almost done. Now, insert and firmly tighten the two long screws that connect the interior and exterior halves of your new lock. Next, install the new strike plate onto the door frame, making sure it aligns perfectly with the latch. Finally, test the lock's operation several times with the door both open and closed. Ensure the latch engages and disengages smoothly and securely for proper function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.